Hi, this is Alex Masichev of Invillion, the developers of content management, content automation, and content delivery solutions. In this video, I'll show you how your subject matter experts can access the content repository of your DITAToo DITA CMS without having DITAToo itself, just using the tools they use every day. If you are a technical writer, you likely need DITAToo DITA CMS because it provides you with powerful content management facilities. But developers, engineers, graphic designers, and other SMEs don't need all these bells and whistles of content management. They only need to be able to access the central content repository to add their content, get content created by someone else, and perform basic document management operations like check-in, check-out, view version history, change the workflow state, and so on. Instead of having full DITAToo, they only need a tiny but very sophisticated tool called DITAToo Virtual Drive. DITAToo Virtual Drive mounts the DITAToo content repository as a local drive on your computer. It's not a real drive though. It's the content database that just pretends to be a local drive. It's not a copy of the content database. It's the database itself. You just access it as if it were a local drive. You can think of DITAToo Virtual Drive as another interface to the same content repository. I will now step into the shoes of an engineer who created technical specifications in plain MS Word and wants to add this document to the DITAToo Central Content Repository, so the technical writers would use that document in their documentation. As an engineer, I don't have any DITA CMS on my computer. I only have DITAToo Virtual Drive that I can access from any Windows application, including MS Word. So I can save this document to the virtual drive P that represents the DITAToo content repository. I can now use standard Windows File Explorer to navigate to the document that I've just added. The Windows context menu now includes the DITAToo menu, and I'll use it to check in the specifications document. Because I want that the technical writer who is responsible for incorporating my specifications to be aware that the specifications are ready, I can change the workflow state of this document to ready for technical writer. I will also assign it to a specific writer who will now receive an email notification. I'm now changing the hats again and stepping into the shoes of a technical writer. I've got an email notification that the document is assigned to me, and now use DITAToo to access this document. I can see it here. Now I have two options. I can open the specifications in the native format, MS Word, side by side with my DITA authoring tool and copy and paste content from MS Word. Or I can make DITAToo to automatically convert the MS Word document to DITA and continue working in DITA. I'll create a subfolder to store the converted content. And import the MS Word document to DITA. DITAToo is now splitting the MS Word document into standalone reusable topics. It automatically identifies the information type and creates concepts and tasks. It also assembles all the converted topics to a data map that resembles the structure of the original Word document. And DITAToo does not rely on styles, so there is no need to map MS Word styles to data elements. DITAToo relies on the visual representation of the content and converts it to the corresponding data element automatically. Whether or not MS Word styles are used, DITAToo will convert the document to standard and valid data. As you see, DITAToo created 3 folders. One for concepts, another one for graphics, and one more for tasks. I've got standalone, reusable topics. And I can now use them as a good starting point for my technical writing work. If you have any questions or comments about what you've seen here, please feel free to send us your questions at info@ditatoo.com. Also, we'll be happy to see you in our community in LinkedIn, where we discuss both DITAToo related topics and structured content in general. Thank you.